Slow motion is widely used in scientific experiments, sports, and cinematography, but did you know that it has something in common with cosmic rays, psychoanalysis, Adolf Hitler, and Joseph Stalin? It is Austria that unites them, and its capital, Vienna. Vienna, a city of music, a city of dreams, it always attracted great minds, people who had radical influence on our history. A century ago, Sigmund Freud, father of psychoanalysis, Adolf Hitler, and two of the leaders of the Russian Revolution, Joseph Stalin and Lev Trotsky, lived almost in the same place. This cafe, called Café Central, Hitler and Trotsky were often guests in 1913. At that time, Hitler was 24 years old and tried to become a painter. Trotsky published his newspaper Pravda, and Stalin, who visited Vienna for a short time, lived just a few hundred meters from Café Central. However, no one knows for sure if they actually met here. As for Sigmund Freud, he enjoyed going to a different place, Café Landmann, the one you can see behind me. Perhaps it inspired Freud to discover the deepest secrets of our minds. Coffee houses were special places in Vienna, and they remain so. In 2011, UNESCO included them in its intangible cultural heritage list, noting that coffee houses are places, quote, where time and space are consumed, but only the coffee is found on the bill. Vienna was home to other great scientists, one of them Karl Landsteiner, Nobel Prize winner, father of transfusion medicine. While living in Austria, he worked here at the University of Vienna and identified the main blood groups. For his achievements, the Austrians put his image on the 1,000 shilling banknote. There are no banknotes with Victor Franz Hess, but his contribution to the mankind is no less important. He has discovered cosmic rays between 1911 and 1913 while working at the Institute for Radium Research, which is situated in Vienna. Cosmic rays are an object of heavy scientific interest up to this day. They are deadly for life outside the protection of an atmosphere, and they are one of the biggest barriers in the way of interplanetary travel. So what about slow motion? Actually, very little is known about its inventor, August Musger, who was an Austrian priest and physicist, and patented his slow motion device in 1904. Since then, of course, slow motion has gone a long way and became extremely popular. Have you been to Vienna? What are your favorite inventions or personalities connected to it? Tell us in the comments.